You guys asked for it. The durability test. Here it is. Oh.
Cheers. Hey, you, man. What's up? High five. Yeah, man. Woo! Yo, I'm so bored. Oh, thank God. It's the wrong one.
Yeah, I'm not actually going to do that.
Dude! Can I please have everyone's attention, please? What the?
All right, so as you guys saw, those are some of the most common ways of breaking your phone. Just kidding. So as you guys can see, this phone is perfectly fine after all of those tests, right? It works perfectly and it sounds, the speakers are completely fine. So that's it for today. If you guys have anything else that you'd like us to test, make sure you tell us in the comments. And subs if you liked it, and subs if you don't like it, okay? So remember, our giveaway ends in 2 days, okay? See you guys soon.